So we have also placed testing facilities, therefore, at Lungalunga entry point, Taveta, Namanga, Busia, Malaba, Isebania, Moyale, and Moyale points of entry. And all the truckers operating along this transport corridor, regardless of whether they will cross the border or not, will be required to hold a valid attestation letter and monitored then from there on at the various checkpoints. At your designated stopovers, you will encounter public health officers who will again be able to monitor you, and should you develop symptoms along the transport corridor, they will be able to link you with the county rapid response teams and refer you to quarantine facilities or isolation centers. The designated stopovers that we have managed to get so far for the truck drivers traveling along the Busia-Mombasa road, we have a point in Busia, Gilgil, Mulologo, and Mariakani. If you are in Busia, if you go through the guidelines, they will say the current guest house and the Dasaga guest house have been approached and they have negotiated rates for you for your self-quarantine. You shall not use any other facility beyond this. And you're supposed to observe the self-quarantine procedures as outlined before. Those operating between Maraba and Mombasa, you have a stopover in Malaba, you can stop over in Gilgil again, Murorongo, or Mariakani. You are not allowed to stop over at any other point. For those operating between Namanga and Nairobi, the only stopover allowed is Mulolongo. And for those operating between Isebania, Kisumu, Nairobi, Mai Mahiu is also allowed, and the Toto Junction, Mau Summit. For those between Maraba and Nairobi, you can stop over in Webuye, but there is no sleeping facility in Webuye. These guidelines